Now that you have made your business profile, let's learn how to create a stay. It's important because when you're endorsing beautiful locations, the customer would want to know where they are staying. So let's get started. Head to the top right hand corner and click on your profile name as you did before. In the drop down menu, click on Stay. Click on Add New to create a new stay. Fill in all the fields like the property name, select the type, choose the category, select the provided amenities. Upload property pictures, preferably in JPEG format, under 2 MB. Provide a short description of the property and additional amenities that you would like to highlight. Provide a Google Map friendly address. Fill in the house rules and terms and conditions, if any. For an enterprising user plan, you will have an additional field of choosing the city or town where your stay is located from the preloaded drop-down list available. Once done, click Save. We will move on to learning how to create packages next. You can then see how your stay details will be integrated into your packages.